Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about how to grow pumpkins. Now over to
beautiful,
G.
beautiful. So again, in the vineyard, as it were, our garden, one of our pumpkins are ready. It's been possibly about 5-6 months, and when we cut our fruits, seeds, mangoes, any fruits and veg we cut and clean up, i.e. the gunga peas, we always chuck off the chaff, the bad ones, chuck it in a pile, organic pile over here. And what we've noticed is that the ground, the soil is so fertile that it always grow. And we was cleaning some yam, and bang, next thing we know, we've got yam vines running out of the organic pile. Then we noticed we had pumpkins. A pumpkin vine ran out, and took no notice of it, and then bang, it started running. 3 branches, 1, 2, 3, and the branches run all the way around through the banana walk, and then bang, next thing we know, we got a pumpkin. Saw 1 pumpkin, went raw, then 2 pumpkins, then 3 pumpkins, and we've been keeping an eye on them. And a couple of days ago we noticed this pumpkin is ready to be cut. Look at the size of it. It really is big. And you all know about pumpkins, very simple staple diet, but this is good for your yellow soup. When you do your chicken soup, you do any kind of soup, it go in there. So we found 1 here, that's right, we're going to cut this in a minute. And another branch, the second branch, gave us another pumpkin over here. That's not quite ready. That's dark green. Gave us a 3rd pumpkin over there. So we're and then it start going sort of like yellowy, and then light green. If you see it, it's beautiful. Yeah, so all we do is, let's go up there. But oh, it is quite a tough nut to crack. Look at that. A few little baby slugs looking for a home, and obviously got a few little spiders, spider monkey. So here we have reaped beautiful pumpkin. What we'll do, we're going to peel it, wash it, peel it, and cut it up into segments, manageable bits, and bang, in the freezer for your soup when you're ready to cook your soup, or your hard food if you like a bit of pumpkin. When those are ready, that the pumpkin vines are still running. So if you look down here, what's happening, we've already reaped, we've got another one to reap over here. Look at the size of that, that is bigger than your head, and that's a big head. Look on this area, the size of it. Again, from drop seed, just chucking the seed, and look at the size. So we're going to reap that shortly, and they gave us another one over there. I think the pictures, you can put the pictures up later of that another pumpkin ready to be picked. Just away from the pumpkin bit, how beautiful pomegranates. This tree was planted about 2 years ago, and look at these pomegranates. You know, that's another episode. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pomegranates, as I said, another episode. So just a bit technical spill on the pumpkin, and the pumpkin, just another spill on the pumpkin vine. If you look at it, it's about, okay, I'll answer it shortly, about 40 yards away, the seed, actually we chucked the seed, and it lots of spills. It's come now about 40 feet away, and it's still running. So what it does is, like, these vines, they grow, and then they find something to hook onto and anchor. So if you look, they just anchor as they go along, and then they've got a prong that they stick into the ground. Oh, here it is then. Here's the prong. So you anchor into the earth so that they don't move, and then it'll push along again. So it's an anchor, stabilise and push. And then the other set of anchor onto anything, the grass, the weed, and it pushes. windy and it's rolling over. And it's similar to the melon. I think it comes from the melon sort of same system, the melon family. And if it rolls over, then it hasn't got nothing to hold on to and it won't have time to reproduce or give you fruit. And this one now is just running onto the lawn, onto the fruits garden. You can see, babe, this vine here, it's running and anchoring, running, holding on, anchoring, and it's just running onto the fruits side of the vineyard. It's amazing how these things work, and I'm sure we're going to get another 4, 5, 6 pumpkins before the tree actually dies. Look at the length of it. Imagine about 40 feet from its original germination point. Amazing. Here is a moment of truth now. That pumpkin we picked a few weeks ago, and just didn't have time to cut it. But we know with a pumpkin, it can be sitting down for months, literally months. And look at that, wow, already. So that's a good sign. That's a really good sign. Let's take this segment out and see. Oh goodness me, have a look at that.
Hey, so apart from putting pumpkin in soup and apart from eating pumpkin seeds, which is obviously good for your brain and your nervous system, you can also make pumpkin punch. Yay, you can make pumpkin punch. It is really nice, the punch. It seriously is nice. So, in a minute, the ingredients will come up for how to make pumpkin punch. Thank you so much for watching. We do appreciate it. Thank you. And thank you to all our new subscribers. Blessings to you. Have a lovely day.